Okay, moving on to 1E. Yeah, this is a little bit difficult to sketch. Okay, that's not a very good sketch. Maybe I'll just take a photo. Yeah. Okay, let me try it one more time. Okay, that's the best I can do. So these are all the same. And we know this is 8 and this is 12. Because these are all the same and they must add up to 12, so I can say each one is 4. Which means all the other ones are also 4. So all of these are just 4. So that will be the first step. And then now I do the same thing. Top and bottom. The top is just 3 of these pieces, which is no different from the bottom. So it will just be 12 times 8. The total will just be 12 times 8. So we have 12 times 8 times 2. Alright, if you think about this, this is just a 4, 4, 4. That's why it's 12. And because this is 8, that's why all of these are 8. That's why it's a 12 times 8. So 12 times 8 times 2. We get 192. The right piece, we should see one long rectangle and then another long rectangle. And this is just 8 times 4. This is also 4. So just 8 times 8 in total. 4 plus 4 is 8. So right and left is just 8 times 8 times 2. That should be 64 times 2, 128. And then we have the front and back. Four times 4. This is 12 times 4. Right, this square is 4 times 4, and then this rectangle is 12 times 4. So that's 4 times 4 plus 12 times 4. And then times 2. We get 128. So the total surface area is 192 plus 128 plus 128. We get 448 centimeters square. Okay, moving on to 1F. Okay, so this is 6, which means all of these are 6. 6 and 6, so this entire length here is 12. This is also 6. These two are exactly the same, and they must add up to 6, so each must be 3. So these are 3 each, and all of these are 6. So that will be the first step. I just need to label everything that I know, all the numbers. And then the top and bottom. So the top piece, I should see 2 square, right? This piece and that piece. So each one is 6 times 6. And the bottom will be the same. So, 6 plus 6 is just 12. So I can really just do 12 times 6 here, because the entire length is just 12. 12 times 6 times 2. That should be 144. Right piece and left piece are exactly the same. So the right hand side is just 6 and 6. The left hand side will be 2 rectangle. Each one is 3 by 6. So they will give you the same thing. So I can just say 6 times 6 times 2, which is 72. And then finally, I still have the front and back. So this is my front piece. I have a 12 times 3 here. And then this is a 6 times 3. So 12 times 3 plus 3 times 6, and then times 2. We get 108. So total surface area is 144 plus 72 plus 108. We get 324 centimeters square. One G. Okay, something like that. So, oh, these are the same. And they are all 3s. And this is 6. Okay, so the top piece should be 3 long rectangle. Each one is a 3 by 6, so that's 3, 3, 3. So in total, that will be 9. So top and bottom should be the same. I have 9 times 6 times 2, which is 108. The left and right piece, 1 rectangle, 2 rectangle, 3 rectangle. So all of these are 3, so that's still 9, and this is still 6. So it will just be 9 times 6 times 2, also 108. Front and back. These are 3, 3. So I can just cut them into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 equal little square. So that each square is 3 times 3, and then I times it by 5. And then the total, you can times it by 2. We get 90. So now I can say that the total surface area is 108 plus 108 plus 90. We get 306 centimeters squared. Finally, 1H. That's a 1. And these are all 1s. Okay, so top, you should see something that looks like this. You have a 1 little square, and then another square, and another square, right? So it's no difference from the bottom, just 3 times 3. So top and bottom would just be 3 times 3 times 2. We got 18. On the right hand side, we see something that looks like this, right? 1, 2, 3, those 3 rectangles. The bottom one would be a 3 by 1, this would be a 2 by 1, and then 1 by 1. So right and left is just 3 times 1 is 3, 2 times 1 is 2, 1 times 1 is 1, and then times 2. We got 12. Front and back is actually the same. 1 piece, 2 piece, and 3 piece. 3 by 1, 2 by 1, 1 by 1. So it will also be 12. And our total surface area is going to be 18 plus 12 plus 12. Now you got 42 centimeters squared. Okay, technical question 1. I will see you in question 2.